I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. I don't need to sing, but I got some great news. We got some great news to share with you. But first, I'm Terry. This is the lovely Addy of Addy and Terry, and we are about to embark on a grand adventure.
Oh yes, we are headed back to the beach, to the most beautiful, the gorgeous, most romantic resort in the Caribbean, Sandals Grande Antigua.
And we want to take you with us. As a matter of fact, you can join us on location, not literally, but virtually you can do that.
Absolutely.
On next Friday, March 26th at 3 p.m. Eastern. All you got to do is click on the link down below and get signed up, and you can check out everything that the resort has to offer. We're going to have special tours, we're going to have special guests, and there are a few special incentives if you watch too.
Absolutely. How about a $250 spa credit or a $250 credit where you decide where you want to spend it, be that in the restaurants, be that in the spa, or for photo packages or something like that.
I'm all the way there for that. And you can too. Remember, go ahead, click the link down below, sign up for the webinar. We'll be coming to you live at 3 p.m. Eastern on Friday, March 26th. We want to go back to the beach. I know you want to go back to the beach, and we want to thank Sandals Grande Antigua for inviting us down so that we can share this experience with each and every one of you. So again, join us March 26th, 3 p.m. for our live webinar. We'll see you soon.